So right now there's this amazing spillover effect of your TikTok sales that can be through TikTok shop, that can be through TikTok ad. I have personally experienced the TikTok shop sales on your Amazon sale. If you're doing drop shipping, or if you are maybe utilizing the wholesale products on the TikTok, then that's a different scenario because you do not have that kind of control on Amazon. But if you're a private label seller, then this can be a very good point. For example, let me share with you two scenarios. In one scenario, when we gave away around 70 to 80 products on TikTok shop, we only got 110 orders on TikTok shop. So if you see TikTok shop as a platform, the whole giveaway activity was not profitable. That did not generate enough orders, but that same activity during the same time period generated around 400 orders on Amazon platform. Similarly, there was another scenario where we were giving away another product, and out of 200 samples, 200 to 20 samples, one giveaway or one video of influencer that went viral. We got like 5.3 million views on TikTok shop, and we generated a couple of good orders, like a good amount of orders on TikTok shop. But that same activity generated around 1400 orders within 3 days time period on a listing which did not have any review, which was just created in the FBM setting. It was not even FBA, without any reviews. So we got 1400 orders within 3 days till we got out of stock. And so this is basically the spillover effect of your TikTok sales on Amazon sale. I believe it should also happen on the TikTok ads, particularly like you're just running TikTok ads, nothing else. But I have not experienced that. But still, on the influencer marketing part, where you are doing giveaways and influencers are creating content, the TikTok influencers, that thing is actually working. And in that case, I mean, if you are an Amazon seller and you are doing good already on Amazon, which means your offer is tested, your product is market comparative, gone are the days where you would sell products at TikTok shop at a higher price. Right now, the pattern which I am observing is the products on TikTok shop need to be either match the pricing on Amazon, or they need to be lower than that, because it is day by day getting competitive, and this is how it was supposed to be. But then this phenomena of getting more and more eyeballs on the social media level, and then capitalizing that eyeballs into sales on Amazon, the spillover effect, that is working on. So if you are an Amazon seller and you are thinking, and your product is doing good, and you're thinking to do TikTok shop, or maybe just post videos on TikTok shop, even if you are not practically running TikTok shop, you are just giving samples to the influencers, and they are creating content where they are talking about your product, your brand name, still you will experience this spillover effect. So do enjoy it if you have the budgets and you are looking for an opportunity to expand your marketing efforts for your private label brand.